included accessories. Use the key to unlock the front door. Open the water inlet cover on the chiller. Add coolant to the normal upper position. Close the water inlet cover. Input voltage. Alternating. Current 380 volts. Connect the PE wire to the ground. Into the neutral wire. L3, L2, and L1 are connected to the live wire in sequence. Input voltage. Alternating. Current 220 volts. Connect the PE wire to the ground. L1, L2, and L3 are connected to the live wire in sequence. Turn on the circuit breaker at the equipment end. Release the emergency stop button and press the start button. Wait for the startup animation to finish loading. Confirm that the chiller is operating normally. Observe the position of the side panel screws. Remove the screws with a hex wrench. Lift upwards to open the side door. Check if the pipelines on the side are leaking. Close the side door. Tighten the screws. Close the front door. Click Manual, input password 1, and enter the cleaning settings. Click Swing and set the parameters of the filling pattern. Lift the upper cover. Take out the optical fiber and the gun head. Open the protective cover of the cleaning head. Click Start. Observe that the red dot changes to the filling pattern. Click Swing and select the filling pattern. Set the size X. Size Y spacing. Click Start. Observe the change of the pattern and turn off Start. Set swing parameters. Click Start and observe the changes in the pattern. Turn off Start and the pattern changes back to a red dot. Display a filling pattern. Introduction of filling pattern. Adjust laser parameters. Introduction to power and swing parameters. Click Start, Laser, Enable in sequence. Double-click the button and the interface shows running. The machine emits light normally. The focal length is 850 millimeters. Close the cleaning head protection cover. Turn off, Start, and Enable. Click Setting. Enter password 6. Enter the settings interface. Click Wi-Fi setting. Click Scanning. Select an available Wi-Fi. Enter the password and click Setup. Wait for the Wi-Fi to connect successfully. Enter version settings. Open the SFX Smart Control app on the mobile phone and enter the smart hardware list. Click the 3040B option. Enter the remote desktop. Wait for synchronization between the phone and the machine. Click Return on the mobile phone to go back to the main page. Enter password 1 to return to the cleaning management interface. Click Swing. Change the spacing parameters. Click Power. Change the laser parameters. Click Start, Laser, and Enable. Open the cleaning head protection cover. Double. Click the button. The machine emits light normally. Close the cleaning head protection cover. Turn off, start, and enable. Put the optical fiber cable and the cleaning head in place. Click Shutdown. The antifreeze system does not run when the temperature is above 15 degrees Celsius. Click Shutdown. The antifreeze system activates when the temperature is below 15 degrees Celsius. Check the interface display. The antifreeze system is running. The antifreeze system completes, and the screen turns off.